Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Domingo C. Valera Jr. and I will recite the rights guaranteed under custodial investigation, RA 7438. First, right to counsel. The person has the right to competent independent counsel of their choice. If they cannot afford one, a lawyer must be provided. No custodial investigation shall proceed without counsel. Second, right to be informed of rights. They must be informed of their rights in a language or dialect they can understand at the time of arrest and before questioning. Third, right to remain silent. They cannot be compelled to testify against themselves. Protection against self-incrimination. Fourth, rights against torture, force, or violence. Any use of threats, intimidation, coercion, or violence to extract a confession or information is illegal and inadmissible in court. Fifth, is right to confidential communication with counsel. Communication between the person and their lawyer must be private and confidential. 6. Right to visit and confer privately. The following have the right to visit and confer privately with a person: any member of immediate family, medical doctor or priest, minister chosen by them or their family, NGO representative duly accredited by law. 7 is right to notify family or relatives. The person has the right to have their families, relatives, or friends notified of their situation immediately after arrest and detention. Last is right to free assistance. Indigent person under custodial investigation must provided a free and competent legal assistance, usually from public attorney's office.